Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi BC combination espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the steamer valve, the one that you see right here, and basically the O-rings and all these little pieces that you see right here. It was leaking unfortunately, and it wasn't letting the steam come out the way it should have been. And then now as you can see, the machine's steaming properly, it's doing perfectly. So we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso, and I'm gonna run a bit more of the steam. Hopefully I pick up the pipeline series for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee. And as you can see, we're seeing drip coffee. I might have tempered the shot a bit too much. But you can see the machine still keeping up. We're still getting a bit of crema. That was a single shot, so there you go. Bit of crema in here. Now we can just redo this thing. I'm gonna get this side ready so we can also test it. Okay, I put a little bit of water in here. We're gonna test out the coffee side, and then, but for now, we're gonna retest the steam. As you can see, steam, perfectly fine, good, powerful, having good pressure, which is great. Hot water working great as well. Good temperature, good water flow. And now for the coffee side, which shouldn't take too long to start brewing. It will start getting hot. The water will start siphoning through the funnel. We don't have any coffee. We just siphon the water, and as you can see, heating up, siphoning properly. And there you have it, the DeLonghi BCO working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.